In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find System.io affiliate link. To get started, log into your System.io dashboard. Make sure you are signed into the correct account, because your affiliate link is tied directly to your own profile. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to look at the top navigation menu. This is where you will find the main areas of your account, including the section you need for affiliate tools. Next, move your mouse over the dashboard option in the top menu. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you quick access to related areas inside System.io, so you do not need to search through multiple pages to find what you need. From that drop-down, click on Affiliate Dashboard. This will open the section dedicated to the affiliate program. If you are looking to promote System.io and earn commissions through referrals, this is the page where your main affiliate information is displayed. Once the affiliate dashboard loads, look toward the top of the page. You will see a box labeled Your Affiliate Link to Promote System.io. That is the link you need. This is your unique affiliate link, which means it is specifically connected to your account and used to track any referrals that come through your promotions. At this point, you can copy the link and use it wherever you plan to promote System.io, such as in your content, website, or marketing materials. It is a good idea to double-check that you are copying the full link exactly as it appears, so your tracking works properly. If needed, you can paste it into a document or note so you can access it quickly later. The main thing to remember is that you do not need to dig through complicated settings. You simply log in, hover over Dashboard, click Affiliate Dashboard, and then find the affiliate link box at the top of the page. That is the fastest way to locate your System.io affiliate link. That covers everything you need to know.